Dito. Grabe na jud kayo kagutom, and then our boy prepare ready. Agoy, 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 agoy. Plating, guys.
This one is too long.
Half la, to your hands la, like that. Do our plating, guys. Kay waiting na amo ang kuan, guys. Amo ang customer. Try.
I give him some for some.
No, he cannot. Because the one is small. He want a lot. Sud na siya sa amo ang kuan, guys. Amo ang storeroom. Storeroom? And breakfast is served. You just eat only breakfast, guys. Kaya nakalingtan jud siya. Pero di pa siya mukhang kinahadlok siya sa veggie. Ay, 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 ay. Where you want to go? Where you want to go? Where he want to go, boy? Huy, asa man ka mo adto?